Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa ating mga water signs. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio in Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. And of course, to our cross-watchers, mga madam and sir, thank you so always for coming back here. Bono Magos or dating Angel Francia PH Tarot. Ayan. So, energy check tayo ngayon. Energy check and ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo this September 19, 2023 at sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, because time is fluid. Ayan. Okay. Paalala lang po sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. So, be open and be receptive po. Okay? Alright, water signs. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Ooh, you have the Knight of Wands. You have the Seven of Wands. You have the King of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Swords. Four of Swords. Eight of Wands. And the Ten of Swords. Ang daming swords, ha? Seven of Swords at the bottom of this deck. Are you lying? Are you cheating? Or maybe you have been cheated. So, ingat sa mga scammer, ingat sa mga manloloko, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Ingat sa mga tao. I feel like someone here is sneaking. Sneaking means they have a sneaky behavior. It could also mean that they're spying. Someone is not telling the truth here. Maybe this is your partner or some people around you is lying to your face. Especially with the Queen of Swords being here. Ayan. This could be your friends. Okay, someone in your community. This could be a father to your children if may anak kayo. Possibly another water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And I feel like the reason hindi ang pinagsisinungalingan niya is may third party. Mostly third party ang hindi niya sinasabi na in love pa rin siya sa iba. In love pa rin siya, meron siyang tinatagong ibang tao sa buhay, sa relationship niya. Okay? So, ingat. And you feel betrayed because I feel like for a lot of you, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, may pinaplano na kayo dito sa person na to. But it looks like you feel betrayed. Tama ba? Niloko ka? Okay. But when it comes to your work or business and career, you are so excited. There is this energy with this Knight of Wands that you are motivated. Tuloy ang laban. Hindi ka nagpapatalo. Okay? You will win in some endeavor in your life. You will win. Mananalo ka sa isang sitwasyon. Mananalo ka dito. Okay? It looks like you are going to win something. Mayroon ka mapapanalunan. Kaso, debate, sitwasyon, kumbaga hindi ka maging failure kung ano man yang tatahakin nyo or ano man yang passion niyo sa buhay. Okay, hindi ka matatalo, hindi ka magiging failure. But when it comes to your challenges, mukhang lately hindi ka nakakatulog. Tama ba? Hindi ka nakakatulog, daming pinoproblema, daming challenges na hinaharap ang ating water signs. Sending love and positivity in your life towards you, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It's either you are insecure, you're feeling insecure lately, nagsiselos kayo, or it's either that, sa mga younger people, mga younger like college people, teenagers, you are experiencing some sort of insecurity to the point na nagkaka-insomnia na kayo, hindi kayo nakakatulog kasi alam mo yung insecurity is like naiinggit ka sa ibang tao, mayroon kang kinaiinggitan, pinagseselosan, something like that. You feel very insecure to the point na lagi nung naiisip yung tao na yun, yung sitwasyon na yun. But, for those of you, mga middle age na 30 plus, late 20s and above, the reason why yung iba sa inyo is hindi nakatulog lately dahil sa mga iniisip na problema. challenges in life. Okay? Problema sa buhay, problema sa pera, love life, halo-halo na. Because this is a general reading. Now, you are thinking of sending someone a message. Tama ba? Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, you are thinking about a message. Pinag-iisipan mo ba kung re-replyan mo yung person na to or kakausapin mo? Tama ba? Yan ang energy na nakukuha ko dito. Pinag-iisipan mo ng mabuti kung kakausapin mo ba, makikipag-contact ka na ba ulit, something like that. Or re-replyan mo na ba, kakausapin mo na ba siya ngayon, sasabihin mo ba ang totoo, something like that. In that scenario, in that situation. Now, yeah, pinag-iisipan mo, you're evaluating. But you are scared, somewhat scared. You are somewhat parang takot ka kasi you don't want to be defeated. You don't want to feel the pain. You are very anxious. With the 7 of Wands and 4 of Swords, you're anxious sa magiging resulta. Sa kahihinatnan ng yung action ng mga pinag-iisipan mo, mga plano mo, you are scared. Tama ba? Scared ka na magkatotoo yung mga kinakatakutan mo. Tama ba? Let's get some advice regarding your situation. Okay? You're trying to get some information about something with the 7 of Swords. Tama ba? Mayroon kang gustong malaman with the 7 of Swords. A lot of you water signs, may gusto kang malaman, curious ka. Ganyan na nakukuha kong energy. Let's get some advice from your angels and spirit guides, okay? For our water signs. Magician, you can make your imagination real. Kung ano man yan, take action. Okay? Yeah, so with the Magician, it looks like you're losing control. You're losing control of yourself again. And yan ang isa sa mga pinoproblema nyo lately. You're losing control of your feelings. Naiinis ka sa sarili mo. Tama ba? Water signs. Yung iba sa inyo naiinis sa sarili kasi nawawala ng self-control pagdating sa emotion. You're water signs. You're very emotional. Okay? But you can make your imagination real if you take action. Okay? Stop worrying too much here with the 4 of Swords. Kung anong iniisip mo. You have the word. You're planning to travel. Pinag-iisipan mo kung I feel like for some of you, you are in a long-distance relationship or your person is far from you. Nasa city, nasa ibang bansa, sa ibang probinsya, something like that. Everything you have worked for is coming together. You will accomplish something in your life. Okay? One of your dreams, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, is coming true. With the World card, you achieve something. I feel like pinag-iisipan mo is kung pupuntahan mo ba tong tao na to or kailan kayo magsasama. Tama ba? I think one of your dreams, one of the things na iniisip mo, laman ng isipan mo is sana maging kami na ng tao na to. Being together, being, in a world, the same world, maybe maging kayo na sa loob, maging ano na kayo, mag-live-in, something like that, magsama, something like that. You also have the 8 of Cups. Make your decision and take action with confidence. Sabi ko na nga ba? With the Magician. Sabi ko earlier, take action with confidence. Okay? I feel like, have confidence to tell this person the truth about your feelings, kung ano mang iniisip mo. Don't be afraid to say what you want to say. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yan ang advice. Take action. Yan ang advice. What else? You have the Knight of Pentacles. Take a methodological approach and you'll achieve your dreams. Ano ba ang methodological approach? Method. Strategic. Be strategic about your plans. Kailangan mo ng magandang strategy. Parang laro lang, no? Parang laro lang. So, mga hindi nakaka-relate ng laro. Like chess, o diba? Hindi lang COD or mobile, bang bang, MLBB, ML, Mobile Legend, 'di ba? Oh, you have the Wheel of Fortune. May magbabalikan. You're planning to reunite with your ex-lover. Tama ba? Joke. I feel like for lots of you, you are closing an old chapter, or you want to close. You want to close an old chapter and then entering a new chapter. You have strength in new beginnings. The cycle restarts. See? Ending an old cycle and then entering a new cycle. Meaning, there's a new chapter for you, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Maganda. Alam mo, gusto ko itong mga ganito kasi ibig sabihin, hindi yung magsisimula ka ulit. Ibig sabihin, parang binigyan ka universe ng chance para parang clean slate ulit. Parang, kunyari, nagsusulat ka sa isang papel. Ang dami mong sinusulat. Okay, lahat na yan, makalat na sulat-sulat. Magulo na. Okay. Kumbaga, binigyan ka ng panibagong papel ng universe para sulatan ulit yung story mo ng buhay mo. Okay, another chapter. Parang babasa ka ng libro, o diba? Natapos mo yung one chapter, next chapter na naman, panibago, parang new beginning. Maganda to. So, take this opportunity to focus on your goals and your dreams and work on it. Meaning, gawin mo talaga. Take action. But I know, a lot of you Cancer are go-getter kasi. Ang problema, yung mga Pisces and Scorpio, kasi Scorpio, very sila. Sometimes, they always think deep. Tama ba, Scorpio? Lagi ka nag-iisip ng very deep to the point na sila kadalasan mostly ang madaling ma-depress. Lalo na mga lalaki. Bihira lang sa babae, konti lang. Mas grabe sa lalaki ang ma-depress sa Scorpio. Kasi mga Scorpio, tahimik sila, misteryoso, and hindi sila open book, kumbaga. Hindi sila nag-share, hindi sila talkative. Parang ang unang first impression mo sa kanila is parang mahirap silang i-approach. Hindi sila approachable, tignan. But when you get to know them, they're really nice. Okay naman sila. Deep lang talaga sila. Kumbaga sila yung dark. Sila yung mga misteryosong tao. Okay, aside sa Pisces, hindi masyado. Ang Pisces, mutable. I think, yeah. Cancer, bubbly ang Cancer. Okay, Scorpio. Scorpio is very one of Scorpio and Taurus, I think. And Virgo. Yeah, Taurus, Virgo, and Scorpio. Sila yung mga misteryosong tao sa mundo. Okay? Parang meron silang mga sariling mundo. Anyway, you have the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. So, plan your steps. Okay, yan ang advice. So, parang wala kang failure. Walang failure naman nangyayari with the Ten of Swords. So, ayan. Yan nagtatapos ang ating reading. Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I hope this reading resonates with you and I hope makatulong para sa kapalaran ninyo. Okay? So, bago ako magtatapos, sa mga hindi interesadong makinig sa aking binibenta, you can go na. Okay, go. Bye-bye! Joke. Okay, for those who wants to stay, I want to show you, I want to just showcase, okay, my mga binibentang items. Love and relationship repair jar, spell jar. This is 290 pesos. Ito, if kailangan nyo ng magkaayos ng boyfriend mo, jowa mo, asawa mo, naghiwalay kayo, nag-away kayo, okay, gusto mo siyang bumalik sa buhay mo, ayan, gusto mo magkabalikan kayo, you need this. 290 pesos lang po, okay? Take a screenshot and then message me sa Puno Magos, okay? Justice spell jar, okay? So, naghahanap ng justice, justisya, ayan. Niloko ka ba ng partner mo? May hindi nagbayad ng utang? Okay. Naloko ka ba? Na-scam ka? Eto, kailangan nyo, mga madam and sir. Hustisya. Okay. Hindi kayo makapunta sa Rafi in Tulfo. Hindi kayo makareklamo kasi ang haba ng pila or, I don't know, may problema. Hindi kayo na-entertain or something like that. Kailangan ng hustisya. O, ito. Justice spell jar, isulat nyo lang ang pangalan ng tao. 1 person per jar only, okay, by the way. ng tao na dyan, sulat yung pangalan niya, and then gusto nyong mangyari sa kanya. Magbayad ka na ng utang. Okay, bayaran mo yung utang ko. Ganun. Sulat mo dyan. Okay? Next, sa naghahanap ng love life, jowa, apam, or whatever, anong mga problema nyo sa love life dyan. Okay, if you are single, okay, nahirapan ka makahanap ng love life, then you need this. Love and relationship. Love and attraction, spell jar, sorry. Ayan. Take a screenshot and then message me sa Punum Magus. Okay? Hanapin nyo si Ma'am Angel. Ako. Siyempre, sino pa ba? Baka kasi admin ng mga kausap nyo. Okay, sa mga may negosyo dyan. Okay. Gusto nyo maging successful ang negosyo nyo, ang business. Ayan. Business, success, spell jar. For only 290 pesos. Ayan. Okay. First batch. Second batch, magtataas na ako ng presyo. Okay, so grab this opportunity right now. Ayan, 290 pesos only. Kasi sa next batch, magiging 390 na. Or 350, I don't know. Okay, hingi pa ako ng sign sa mga spirit guides ko. Okay, ayan. So, take a screenshot. Send me a message. All-in-one red powerful bracelet. Ito ang best seller sa akin talaga. I think I've already sold this like 300 plus or 500 pieces already. Ang daming feedbacks. Hindi ko na ang feedbacks nito. Ang dami na sobra-sobra lahat. Lahat na nakakuha nito, ang ganda-ganda daw. Ang sarap-sarap ng tulog nila. Ang gaan-gaan ng pakiramdam nila nung ginawa nila yung ritual. Only 700 pesos. Lifetime ninyo itong magagamit. Okay, pwede nyo pang ipamana sa mga anak ninyo, apo, ayan. Okay? Takot makulam, nangangailangan kayo ng panangga sa kulam. Nakulam ba kayo? Okay, kailangan nyo magpagamot, pero takot kayong pumunta sa mga albularyo or something like that. Okay, then you need this. This is your chance. This is 1,000 pesos. Take a screenshot and then message me. Okay, ayan. Black tourmaline yan, mga madam. Okay, kaya nagkakaroon ng visa yung mga item ko kasi ginagawan ko ng ritual sa Latin. Okay, Latin. Alright, so, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys next time, tomorrow again. Alright, God bless, more power, and ingat po. Paalam.